Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursaleen. Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقال الشيطان لما قضي الأمر إن الله وعدكم وعد الحق ووعدتكم وأخلفتكم وما كان لي عليكم من سلطان إلا أن دعوتكم فاستجبتم لي فلا تلوموني ولوموا أنفسكم ما أنا بمصرخكم وما أنتم بمصرخي إني كفرت بما أشركتمون من قبل إن الظالمين لهم عذاب أليم صدق الله العظيم. And citing says, when the matter has been decided, lo, Allah promised you a promise of truth, and I promised you, then failed you, and I had no power over you, save that I called unto you, and you obeyed me. So blame not, but blame yourselves. I cannot help you, nor can you help me. Lo, I disbelieved in that which you before ascribed to me. Lo, for wrongdoers is a painful doom. Respected viewers, when the matter will be decided at the day of resurrection, it means the accountability will be finished and the honors of paradise will be interdicted and the honors of that fire will be interdicted. Then those who are the honors of hellfire will say to Shaitan Iblis, O wretched one, we followed you in our life and we obeyed your command. Whatever you whispered unto us, and we passed our whole life according to your directions. We committed sins and shirk, and whatever you said to us, we obeyed. And due to that, now we are deserving for hellfire. So please intercede us with Allah Almighty so that we may get rid of this painful doom. Hearing that, Shaitan Iblis will deliver a lecture before his followers, saying that, O my faithful followers, you passed your life just as my commandment and my whispering, and you did shirk and commit sin, but I have no power over you. I only called to you to commit sins, but I had no drag to you for this. And you did whatever you want according to my command, according to your own will and authority, not due to my whispering. So blame not to me and blame yourselves. And I cannot help you whatever you did. Do you not think that Allah Almighty promised you a true promise by His holy messengers? May peace and mercy of Allah be upon them, that you should accept Islam and pass your life according to Allah's command, according to the good example of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon them. And they invited to you that you should consider the signs in the universe. It means signs of the truth in your own souls and in the horizontal signs, so that you may find Allah Almighty and find the truth about Islam. What you denied to that, and due to this, now you are deserving hellfire, and I cannot help you. So, respected viewers, the Holy Quran informs us so that we should be careful about to follow Shaitan whispering, should follow the religion of Islam and should do good actions so that we may be successful in this life and also in the hereafter. And Allah Almighty forgive our sins and may enter in paradise. Ameen. Ma'alina ilal balagh al mubin.